Alright everyone, today we're going to do a room tour of cabin number 7234 on the Carnival Sunshine. It is a balcony cabin that sleeps 3. That's coming up right after this. This cabin is on deck 7. It is right by the midship elevators. When you come to the cabin, you'll take your sailing sign card and enter it in just like you would a hotel room key. When you first enter, on the left, you have a closet that has a few shelves. Life jackets are at the bottom. And this is also the closet where your safe is. Right next to that, you have 2 closets that are both hanging closet space. And then over on the left, when you first come in, the right when you first come in, it's the bathroom. You have 4 shelves and a mirror and a sink, trash area, toilet area. You have your shower. You have the hanging clothes rod. It does have shower wash, shampoo, and shower gel. Right here by the doors, the switches for the bathroom and the main room, on and off. There are 3 shelves down below. Hair dryers in the top shelf. There is 2 120 volt outlets and a phone. And then you have 2 more shelves. And there's one 230 volt outlet, but it is plugged up for the mini fridge. Next to the mini fridge is a small little storage cabinet. And next to that is 2 other storage cabinets. And behind the TV, you do have one more 120 volt outlet. The walls in this cabin are not magnetic, but the ceiling is. So if you bring your magnetic hooks, you could hang it from the ceiling, hang towels and different things to dry, give extra space. And the balcony is out there. We'll come back to that in a moment. This room is set up for sleeping 3 people, but it's set up as a king size bed instead of twin size bed. And then the couch is here, which is made into a bed right now, but it can also be set up as a couch. There is a little table with a stool right there. Now we will walk out to the balcony. There's 2 lounge chairs, deck chairs, and a side table. And that is the room tour of cabin 7234. I have linked in the description above the room tour for cabin 7236. It is set up the same way, except it's inverted, and it is 2 twin beds instead of a king size bed. You can check it out right up here. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified of all of our future content.